Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. Even though this won't be posted on St. Patrick's Day, it's being filmed on St. Patrick's Day. I've done my fair share of celebrating, and now I'm getting some videos filmed. Up on the block right now is this Hoover. It's a Hoover WindTunnel. It's not a Supreme. It's an older one. It was purchased in 2011. According to the documentation I have, it was purchased in 2011 or 2012 from Kohl's. It was on sale. That's all I know. I had to make a minor repair to the switch because it was very stiff, like they all are. Comes with all the attachments, all 3 attachments there, plus the 2 wands. I don't know if there's supposed to be a crevice tool on this one, but to my knowledge, it's got everything. From the same people, I also got that maroon wind tunnel over there. After I'm done with the silver one, I'm gonna go and look at that maroon one. That one was purchased in '98. It's a little worse for the wear. I gotta see how healthy that one is. This one's in good shape. Belt's a little stretched, but the motor's healthy, and it cleans like a wind tunnel should. So without further ado, I'm going to turn it on and run it. And also, I'm pretty sure the dirt sensor doesn't work. It just stays on clean all the time, or most of the time, and like it was even that accurate to begin with, I don't know. But also the headlight does actually work, which is kind of a nice thing. But anyways. So yeah, that's one acquisition of the day. See you guys in the next one.